everyone.
Morning.
It's 11:08. Committee on Transportation and Public Ways call to order. First, let me thank everybody for taking the time to come to this particular hearing. This particular hearing is being called because the taxi cab drivers a few months ago filed petitions with the City of Chicago with the Commissioner in order to have a hearing based on a fare increase. Based on those signatures that were turned in, the findings were there were not enough signatures to justify or mandate a public hearing. However, me being the fair chairman that I am, decided to go ahead and grant this hearing.
Over $100 a day in gas. You talking about these new hybrids? We're not going to save money on hybrids. When I was at Chicago Taxi Medallion, I spent over $920 a week leasing a car. I thought the consumer services, they did nothing about it. You go to the airport, we have to deal with the CNG. They don't want to waste their time picking up handicapped drivers. They don't want to waste their time picking up handicapped passengers if they have to pay $148 a day, plus gas, plus fare. What industry do you know that's mandated to take credit cards, but when you go to the credit card or when you go to the company at 6 o'clock, we can't get cash back. We only get $100 a day off credit card. That's my money that I make. I need my money to run my tax. If I take credit cards all day long and I'm broke, I don't have money in the bank, how am I going to put gas in my car? I took out a loan to pay my lease. My lease got up to $1,500. The owner told me if I can't pay it, drop the tax. If I go in there and give you $1,500, I'm not making that money. So yes, at the end of the day, we do need a fair increase. You all need to be more savvy about the mandates that you put upon us and the hardships that you call upon us. Be careful. People lives are being taken every day. It's not just about a fair increase, it's about how you mandate the industry. We all live here, we all need to work together. It's not just about money. When you set that new ordinance forth, you should make sure that everybody was taken care of in that ordinance. It wasn't just about making money, greasing up cab owners' pockets. Do the right thing. It's time to stand up. If you want to run the city, make sure every business in the city of Chicago can grow. Because when those businesses fail, employment fails. Last time when I came down to the hearing, I wasn't able to talk. But I want to make sure that I'm heard today. It's going to be the beginning of the month. And my friend.
Next two speakers, please come down. Rick Soderquist and Bill Ferris.
Let me first thank everybody for their testimony, their time, and especially my colleagues here.